Hi, this is Chiranjeevi. Today we are going to learn about vectors, 1 mark problems. First problem, define coplanar vectors. Two or more non-zero vectors lying in the same plane or parallel to the same plane are called coplanar vectors. So here two or more non-zero vectors which will be in same plane or parallel to the same plane, we call it as coplanar vectors. If the vectors vector A is 3i plus j minus 2k and vector B is I plus lambda j minus 3k are perpendicular, find lambda. If two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is equal to 0. So given A and B are perpendicular, so A dot B equal to 0. So vector A dot vector B equal to 0. Now dot product, we know that I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1 and K dot K is 1. So it will be 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 into lambda will become lambda minus 2 into minus 3 will become plus 6. So 3 plus lambda plus 6 equal to 0. So lambda plus 9 equal to 0 and lambda equal to minus 9. If the vectors vector A equal to 2i plus lambda j, 2i plus j plus k and B equal to 3i plus 4j minus k, find A dot B. A dot B equal to 2i plus j plus k dot 3i plus 4j minus k. Now applying dot product, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Next fourth one, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector vector A equal to 3i plus 4j. So unit vector is vector A cap equal to vector by magnitude A. So magnitude A is square root of 3 square plus 4 square equal to root 9 plus 16, which is 5. So unit vector A cap equal to vector A by magnitude A, which is 3i plus 4j by 5, which is 3 by 5i plus 4 by 5j. Next fifth one, find the unit vector in the direction of I plus j plus k. So magnitude A equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 3. So unit vector A cap equal to vector A by magnitude A equal to I plus j plus k divided by root 3, which can be written as 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j plus 1 by root 3k. If the vectors vector A equal to 2i minus 3 lambda j plus k and B equal to I minus j minus 2k are perpendicular, find lambda. Perpendicular dot product equal to 0. So A dot B equal to 0. 2i minus 3 lambda j plus k dot I minus j minus 2k equal to 0. Now simplifying, 2 into 1 2 minus 3 lambda into minus will become plus 3 lambda plus 1 into minus 2 will become minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 and minus 2 will cancels. 3 lambda equal to 0, therefore lambda will be equal to 0. Show that the vectors vector A equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and vector B equal to minus 4i plus 6j plus minus 8k are collinear. So we take vector B equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. So in this I'll take 2 outside. If I take 2 outside, minus 2 outside, it will be 2i minus 3j plus 4k, which can be written as minus 2 times of vector A, because vector B equal to lambda A, so the vectors are collinear. If we write the vector B equal to lambda times of vector A, then we call it as collinear. Next one, the vectors 2i plus 3j minus 6k and 4i minus mj minus 12k are parallel. Find m. So if two vectors are parallel, if a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 equal to a3 by b3. Now substituting the values, 4 by 2 equal to m by 3 equal to minus 12 by minus 6. So it will be 6m equal to 36, m equal to 6. Find the angle between the vectors vector A and vector B with magnitude root 3 and 2 respectively, having A dot B equal to root 6. cos theta equal to a dot b divided by magnitude a into magnitude b. Now substituting a dot b is root 6 and magnitude a is root 3 and magnitude b is 2. So here root 6 by 3 will become root 2. Root 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So theta is pi by 4. If two vectors, vector A and vector B, be such that magnitude A equal to 3, magnitude B equal to root 2 by 2 and A cross B is unit vector, then find the angle between A and B. So sin theta equal to magnitude A cross B divided by magnitude A into magnitude B equal to 1 divided by 3 into root 2 by 3. 3 will cancels, 1 by root 2. Sin theta is 1 by root 2, so theta will become pi by 4. Find the angle between the vectors vector A and vector B such that magnitude A equal to 1, magnitude B equal to 1 and A dot B equal to 1. Cos theta equal to A dot B divided by magnitude A into magnitude B. Substituting cos theta equal to 1, so theta equal to 0 degrees. Find the value of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. So A equal to 2i plus 3j, B equal to xi plus yj, A equal to B, 2i plus 3j equal to xi plus yj. So now equating x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Find the direction cosines of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k, which is asked in the year March 2014. Direction cosines are L equal to 1 divided by magnitude of the vector is root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is root 14. So m will be 2 by root 14, n will be 3 by root 14. 14th one. Find the unit vector in the direction of I plus j plus 2k, asked in the year June 2017 and March 2018. Magnitude A equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is root of 1 plus 4 is root 6. So unit vector A cap equal to vector A by magnitude A equal to I plus j plus 2k divided by root 6. If we split this, we get it as 1 by root 6 I plus 1 by root 6 j plus 2 by root 6 k. Next one, define negative of a vector, March 2015 and March 2020. A vector having the same magnitude as that of a given vector A and the direction opposite to that of vector A is called the negative of a vector A and it is denoted by minus A. See here the vectors magnitude need to be same and only the direction need to be opposite, then we call it as negative of a vector and it is denoted by minus A. Define a unit vector which is asked in the year July 2014. The vector whose magnitude is unity is called a unit vector. Find unit vector in the direction of the vector vector A equal to 2i minus 3j minus k, asked in the year July 2016. Magnitude A equal to root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 1 square, which is root 4 plus 9 plus 1 is root 14. So unit vector A cap equal to A by magnitude A, 2i minus 3j minus k equal to root 14. So unit vector A cap equal to 2 by root 14i minus 3 by root 14j minus 1 by root 14k. Define collinear vectors, asked in the year March 2017. The vectors having same support or parallel supports are called collinear vectors. The vectors who has parallel support and same support are called collinear vectors. Find a value of x for which x into I plus j plus k is a unit vector, asked in the year March 2019. Given it is a unit vector, so magnitude of that will be root of x square plus x square plus x square equal to 1. So here root 3 x square equal to 1. So for x square, if you take root, it will be plus or minus. So it will be x into root 3 equal to plus or minus 1, x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. If a cap equal to 1 by root 14 times of 2i plus 3j plus k, then write the direction cosines of vector A, June 2019. So here the direction cosines will be 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 and 1 by root 14. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours Chiranjeevi.